Did you know 58% of hiring managers say Gen Z candidates don't dress appropriately for interviews? It's time to change that narrative. Introducing Polished and Powerful, the ultimate dress for success intensive.
As it pertains to career success, we're going to give you some tips on how you show up as the best and highest version of yourself.
This transformational experience equips your team with the skills to dress for impact, command attention with confidence, and navigate professional spaces with ease.
Always put your best look forward.
I want you all to think about comprehensive style.
Always maintain the posture of a student. And I'm willing to humble myself, and I'm willing to learn.
How do you want to show up in these different spaces and places that you occupy?
Bring Polished and Powerful to your organization today and empower your team to look and act with excellence.